Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix invalid server name MCP error in Claude. The invalid server name error is a common issue when configuring MCP, Model Context Protocol servers in Claude. This error usually appears because the server name does not follow the naming rules expected by Claude. Even if the server URL and configuration are correct, an invalid server name can prevent Claude from recognizing or connecting to the MCP server. In most cases, the problem is caused by using capital letters, spaces, or special symbols in the server name. Fortunately, this can usually be fixed by reviewing your MCP configuration and renaming the server using the proper naming format. The first step is to open your terminal. Once your terminal is open, paste the command or prompt you have for displaying your current MCP server configuration and run it. After executing the command, the terminal will display a block of configuration text that contains information about your configured MCP servers. Carefully look through the configuration until you find the section that contains your server name. This is the name Claude uses to identify the MCP server internally. Inspect the server name closely. If the name contains uppercase letters, spaces between words, special characters or symbols, other unsupported formatting, it may cause Claude to reject the configuration with an invalid server name error. To fix the problem, rename the server using a valid naming convention. A properly formatted server name should generally use only lowercase letters, replace spaces with hyphens, avoid special characters and symbols, keep the name simple and descriptive. For example, instead of my server or my server number 1, use something similar to my server. Once you have updated the server name, save the configuration file. Saving the configuration ensures the new server name is stored correctly and can be read by Claude during startup. After saving the changes, completely close Claude, then reopen the application. Restarting Claude forces it to reload the MCP configuration and recognize the updated server name. If the server name now follows the required format, the invalid server name error should no longer appear, and Claude should be able to load the MCP server normally. It is important to understand that the server name is different from the server URL. Changing the server name does not change where Claude connects. It only changes the identifier Claude uses internally to reference that MCP server. Common causes of the invalid server name error include using uppercase letters, including spaces in the server name, using unsupported symbols or punctuation, copying a server name directly from documentation without adjusting its formatting, accidentally adding extra spaces before or after the name. A common mistake many users make is changing the server URL instead of correcting the server name. If the URL is already correct, modifying it unnecessarily may create additional connection problems. Another common mistake is editing the configuration but forgetting to save the file before restarting Claude, causing the same invalid configuration to be loaded again. Some users also restart only the MCP server without restarting Claude itself, which may prevent the updated configuration from being recognized. To summarize, fixing the invalid server name MCP error starts by opening your terminal and running the command that displays your current MCP server configuration. Review the configuration carefully until you locate your server name, and check whether it contains uppercase letters, spaces, or unsupported symbols. If it does, rename it using only lowercase letters and replace spaces with hyphens. After updating the name, save the configuration file and completely restart Claude so it reloads the corrected settings. Using properly formatted server names is essential because Claude validates every MCP configuration before loading it. Even a small formatting mistake in the server name can prevent an otherwise correctly configured MCP server from connecting. By following the required naming convention and restarting Claude after saving your changes, you can resolve the error quickly and ensure your MCP servers load reliably in future sessions. And that's how to fix the invalid server name MCP error in Claude. By checking your MCP configuration, correcting the server name to follow the required naming format, saving your changes, and restarting Claude, you can eliminate this common configuration error and get your MCP server connected successfully.